So now we'll deal with what? We'll deal with ethical philosophies. See, I told you, it will seem like a philosophy class. Anyways, so now we will deal with what? Ethical philosophies. There are few ethical philosophies that now we will deal with. The number one is deontological ethics. Number one is what? It is deontological ethics. Number one is deontological ethics. Now, what is deontological ethics? Now, let's just first see this word. What does this deontology means? So, this deontological ethics, this word deon is derived. This word deon is derived from a Greek. From Greek means this deon is a Greek word. This deon is a Greek word which means duty. So the word deon means what? It means duty. The word deon means duty, and logos means signs. The word deon means duty and logos means signs. Okay. So what does this deontological ethics says? It says that if action of a business were done with correct intentions, then irrespective of the fact that the result is favorable or unfavorable, the business is said to be ethical. What it is saying? এটা বলতে কি চাইছে ডিওন্টোলজিক্যাল এথিক্স? বলছে তুমি যদি তোমার ডিউটিটা করো, if you are doing your duty with the correct intention, you don't have any wrong intention. Remember mens rea, you don't have any wrong intention. Mens rea, the term mens rea. If you are not having that mens rea, that is intention is not incorrect, your intention is a correct intention, and with that correct intention you're doing your duty, then no matter whatever the result is, the duty or the business will be considered as ethical. তুমি একটা কোনো কাজ করছো, তুই একটা কোনো কাজ করছিস যেটার তোর ইন্টেনশনটা ভীষণ কারেক্ট, বাট the result comes out to be unfavorable, suppose, then also the business will be considered as ethical. For example, examination time you're helping your friend. Okay, very good. Why? Because your intention is that আমিও পাশ করলে আমার বন্ধুও পাশ করবে. Your intention is so pure. রেজাল্ট বেরোলো, তুই দেখলি বন্ধুর রেজাল্টটা বেশি ভালো হয়ে গেল আর তোরটা কোনোভাবে খারাপ হয়ে গেল। সো রেজাল্টটা কিন্তু তোর ফেভারে এলো না, রেজাল্টটা কিন্তু বন্ধুর ফেভারে এলো, তাই না? রেজাল্টটা তুই ভাবছিলিস যে আমি হেল্প করছি মানে আমি তো ওর থেকে ভালো পাবোই, বাট আনফর্চুনেটলি ফর রিজন, ফর হোয়াট এভার ইট ইজ, তোর রেজাল্ট খারাপ হয়ে গেল, তোর বন্ধু হয়তো ফার্স্ট হয়ে গেল। It is not in your favor, but your intention was correct to help your friend. Your intention was not at all bad. So whatever you have done will be considered as okay. হ্যাঁ, হয়তো এই কারণে তুই বাড়িতে মার কাছে মার খেতে পারিস, তখন তুই এই এথিক্যাল প্রিন্সিপালটা মাকে বুঝিয়ে দিবি যে মা দেখো আমি এই ভেবে করেছিলাম, মাই ইন্টেনশন ওয়াজ পিওর, তাহলে আমি ঠিকই আছি, রেজাল্ট কি হয়ে গেছে সেটা আমি আর কি করব। So this is deontological ethics. Correct, this is deontological ethics. कर्म किए जाओ, फल की चिंता मत करो. Simple as that. Do your karma with correct intention. Obviously, do your karma with correct intentions. Then just leave. Whatever will be the result, it will be, whether it's good, whether it's bad, but it's for your good. It's the famous slok. It's a famous one. Correct? कर्म किए जाओ, फल की चिंता मत करो. So From this has been derived deontological ethics. Do your work with good intention. Someday or the other, you will be paid off in such a manner you can't imagine even. And this is actually correct. This is actually so true. If you sit and think about your past, about the events that have happened already, you will just find a link why that happened and why this is happening. Just sit someday and think. একদিন বসে জাস্ট ভাববি যে পাস্টে কি কি হয়ে এসছে, কি কি হতে হতে আজ আমি এখানে দাঁড়িয়েছি। you could connect the dots so easily. So যেটাই হয় সেটা কিন্তু ভালোর জন্যই হয়, if your intentions are correct. Obviously karma actually rules. আজকালকার স্টুডেন্টসরা will not understand all this. They follow a cool thing, a cool trend. I will do this looks cool, this looks that. No. Stay calm. Stay calm and do whatever you want to do. Just don't hurt others. Just don't deceive others. Do something which will deceive others. And you will be paid off. You will be paid off. I'm telling this from my experience. You will be surely paid off. So this is deontological ethics. What is deontological ethics? It is what it has been, means the word deon is a Greek word which means duty, and logos means science. Means what? Means what? It is science of duty. We are talking about science of duty. Do your duty with correct intention, no matter whether the result is favorable or unfavorable. Your business will be considered as ethical business. Your business will be considered as ethical business. So this is deontological ethics. And the last one today that we will read for today, it is teleological ethics. Teleological ethics. So this also Greek word telos, which means end purpose. This telos is a Greek word, which means end purpose. এই সাবজেক্টটা বুঝতে ক্লাসে থাকলে this would have been very easy and a lot more interesting, because we could communicate with each other, and by the way of communication this subject would have been a great subject, though this is a very boring one. But practical things are never boring. Actually, if we could communicate properly, and if I could listen to the questions of my students, then it would have been a better way to solve this chapter, to understand the philosophical things, because we are after all a commerce student. Okay, anyway, so what is teleological ethics? It's derived from, means the telos is a Greek word, and which means end purpose. Now, it is totally opposite of deontological ethics. This is totally opposite of deontological ethics. What it says that if the end result is satisfactory, then irrespective of the fact whether your action was correct or incorrect, business is said to be ethical. তোমার যদি রেজাল্টটা কারেক্ট হয়, স্যাটিসফ্যাক্টরি হয়, এবার তোমার অ্যাকশনস কি ছিল ডাজন্ট ম্যাটার। তোমার অ্যাকশন কি ছিল ডাজন্ট ম্যাটার, whether it was correct way, incorrect way, whatever path you have selected, but your result is perfectly fine, then your business will be said to be ethical. See the concept, see the variation. এবার আমাকে স্টুডেন্টরা কোয়েশ্চন, ম্যাম তাহলে আমি যদি কারোর মার্ডার করে দিই, and the result of my doing murder, means committing such a crime, the result of such crime turns out to be positive in some manner, then now here what will I say? If I go by this teleological ethics, but this teleological ethics is actually, we are talking with the taking in consideration the business point of view. But still, how can we say that this is correct? Suppose now I am giving an example. Suppose যেমন during exam time you all are cheating, you have taken chits and all, you have cheated, and finally your result was what? You have scored a good marks, very good marks. So your result was satisfactory. So no matter how correct or incorrect you have been while writing your answers, that doesn't matter as per teleological concept. Correct? The concept says that only. So how can I lie to you all? So if my students say, ma'am, I have cheated in this manner and I have scored 90%, and if I say, hey, you are wrong, you have not learned anything, and blah blah blah, I'm telling the student, then student might say me, ma'am, you only have taught that if my action, no matter whether my action is correct or incorrect, but my result is satisfactory, I'm correct. Yes, I can't deny, because this teleological ethics says that. So see the difference. I told you this will be a roller coaster ride. This is actually how a person thinks. From their ideology, from their thinking, all these ethical issues have been derived. Like deontological ethics is something which is very true. Very true. Do your work. You can't wait or expect for the result. Like during the pandemic time, we always told you that during the lockdown scenario, I told you just study, because don't wait for your exam, just study, because the exam will be coming, and at that point of time you will be finished. Similarly, do your work, and do your work with correct intentions. No matter what, you will be rewarded for that. I am telling you. Just you all will grow up, you all will understand and feel this. Just be the best of you. Try to be the best of you. It's not always possible, because we are human beings. We get hurt, we react. We get hurt, we react. It's not always possible, but we can try. The least we can do is we can try. And what is teleological? This says if the end purpose, end result is satisfactory, then no matter whatever action you have taken, it doesn't makes a business a bad one. The business will be termed as ethical business. Correct? So, আজকে এত অবধি থাক, then we will continue, because I am having just a single chapter. I don't know after that what we will do. Anyways. Okay. Thank you, class.